After connecting to Reiki, place your left hand on the left shoulder of the person that you're treating with Hanshin Koketsu Ho. And then, with the right hand, draw X on the back of the person. From the right shoulder to the left hip, and from the left shoulder to the right hip. And repeat this movement in between 15 to 30 times. Then, with the index finger and middle finger, go from the back of the neck to the bottom of the column, going gently on both sides of the column, inhaling when you're up, holding your breath while you go down, and exhaling down. Repeat this movement 10 times. And finally, place both hands on the upper back on the center and move them gently to the sides. And just go down on the back, like removing the heaviness from her back. From the upper back to the lower back. And then join your hands again in gassho position to finish the treatment.